Hello, it's Miss Take Back for some more numeracy. This week we're really concentrating on up to 10 and what numbers make 10 and going up by 1 and 2. So as we use number lines, we're also going to use a lot of base 10 cards. So it's really easy just to make a base 10 card. Having these readily available, laminated, just for the students to play with is amazing. You're also going to need some counters and a dice. So what we're going to do is we're going to have them roll the dice and read it, and then fill in there, that was 4, how many more to make 10. So they're going to have to count the blanks. So how many more to make 10? They might do it that way, or they might just know this is a 5 and then 1 is a 6. So then they're going to actually have to say, I would need 6 more to make 10. So 4 and 6 make 10. So it's a good idea to watch them to see if they're still, look at that. 1, how many more make 10? Well, we want to drive home that a whole bottom is 5, like a hand. So they know that there's 5 and 4, so they should be able to say 9. So 9 and 1 make 10. So there's a 2. How many more make 10? Again, there's an empty 5 and a 3. So they should be saying 8. If you're noticing that they're doing this and not counting and not knowing that a whole group is a 5, then I would reteach, 5 and 5. Base 5. And then move to base 10, right? So getting that concept in their head is going to really help them further as they get it higher up into the grades for the numeracy and understanding, decomposing 10 and composing 10. All right, so have fun playing that dice counter game and figuring out how many more to 10 and which two numbers are now pairs that make 10. All right, have a beautiful day, and I'll see you soon.